Do you know that by taking effective notes, you can actually score good marks in the exams? What? You don't believe me? See, note taking is the first step in the process of learning. So, if you wish to become a topper, then you will have to learn this first step. Recently, we received many comments saying we want a video on how to take effective notes. So, your wait is over because today in this video, we are going to discuss about those 5 tips that will help you to take effective notes. So, tune in till the end. Tip number 1. Write down the key points. Make the habit of noting down important key points when the teacher is explaining in the class. You may take some time to learn how to listen for the main ideas and key facts, so keep trying. Tip number 2. Ask if you don't understand. Don't be afraid of asking your teacher if you have missed something. So, if the teacher is going too fast, raise your hand and ask your teacher to repeat the sentence. If you don't want to ask in the class, you can see your teacher afterwards and question him or her regarding that. Tip number 3. Make your notes colorful. Many students find that adding a splash of color to their notes helps to make the information more readable and easier to retain for a longer period of time, because it has been proven that color stimulates the creative side of the brain, plus it makes it more interesting to read. Tip number 4. Use abbreviations while taking notes. While taking notes, start using abbreviations and symbols to reduce the amount of time and words. This is also a perfect way when you have to use the same word several times while taking notes. So, try using abbreviations while taking notes. Tip number 5. Recopying. In case you have scribbled down your notes in a hurry, you might not understand it properly. So, once you reach home after school, recopy them if you need to. Recopying them in a separate notebook will help you to learn and remember what you wrote. Also, it will help you in a long-term retention of knowledge. So these were the tips that will help you very much while taking notes. Also, if you want to know how you can study for long hours, then do click on this video to know more. Until then, goodbye.